Hi guys, today we have Hainal, one of our DBA students. Let's hear her success stories inside DBA Master Course. Hi Hainal.
Hello.
Hainal, I would like to ask you a basic question which I asked to everyone. When did you join DBA Master Course?
I joined the course in past 2019 around January.
Around January 2019.
January or February. I don't know the exact month, but I joined in 2019.
Okay, so I guess you have joined my free digital marketing course if I'm not wrong first.
No, sorry,
Or
sorry. No, I joined you in 2019. I came across your some sponsored ad on Instagram in
nah,
December 2019, and I joined you a year back in 2020 January. So my
exactly.
mistake, sorry.
A year back you have joined it. Superb. So, Hainal, I just want to ask you a simple question like, what is your achievements through DBA Master Course in terms of knowledge, in terms of money?
Actually, in 2019, like due to this lockdown and everything, I lost my I am into this digital marketing field after I completed my graduation. I had a very someone has मुझे एक कीड़ा है. I had a कीड़ा of this digital marketing, and
Uh-huh.
I didn't know like what is digital marketing. Firstly I joined one of the physical course which I get recruitment from one of my college, one of my college ma'am.
Mhm.
I started my journey in digital marketing from a very basic graphic designing course.
Okay.
But when I was like doing my graphic designing course, I realized that graphics, I love graphics, but this is not the point where I should only stick to. I wanted to move and I want to explore digital marketing world.
Mhm.
So slowly and steadily, I joined a company. I get there a basic knowledge for 3 to 6 months internship. I get only, to be very frank, I only used to get pay after my graduation per month only 3,000. Like
Mhm.
like uh, like everyone used to goes on my like you are this much graduate and you are not paid enough for like 3,000. You also know the condition where
True.
everyone used to say. So slowly I was exploring the field. Then I got married, and slowly and steadily I goes deep down the digital marketing field. And one day I came across your profile,
Okay.
and it seemed like you were like a feather to my head. So I started doing freelancing parallelly after my marriage, but like I got some few clients, and one day I got one client on LinkedIn,
Mhm.
and we started working from a basic graphic designing two posts and one video. And I had one of my friend who used to design graphics for me and used to do digital marketing. But at
Okay.
that point of time, I didn't knew that how to do freelancing. Then,
Oh.
according to your like coaching and other I used to see like visit Instagram such coaching like pages and everything, and slowly I started like doing my freelancing as well. And I dropped one of my biggest client in lockdown where everyone was like not paying enough, where every company was not paying enough money to their employer. And currently I achieved like 2.5 lakh, and currently that amount is around 5 lakh from my single
Amazing.
client.
Amazing. 2.5 lakh rupees with one single client.
Yes, and the amount till today is 5 lakh.
Till today, it's 5 lakhs.
Yes.
Amazing, Hainal. It's inspiring me a lot.
Thank
Because
you, sir.
see,
You inspired me
I'll
to
tell
do
you why,
freelancing.
Hainal, because I do have a digital marketing agency, you already know it.
Yes.
To take a client worth of 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh rupees, it took me 3+ years, where I started with 2,400 per month. Then it took
Yes.
me 3 complete years to charge 5 lakhs. But within the span of 1 year, you are now capable of taking 5 lakh rupees from one single client. Amazing. Because I am shocked now, literally, because my team didn't say me that these are their achievements. So directly I'm asking you, you said 5 lakhs. That's amazing.
Thank you. This
Amazing.
is all just because of you.
No, Hainal. It's not because of me. I don't agree on it because it's like 30 to 40% of my knowledge. That's it. Whereas 60 to 70%, it's your efforts to earn money. I can only guide you where you have to, but the traveling and all you need to take it because don't give me 100% credit. I don't accept it because 5 lakhs is not a small amount, and that too within span of 1 year. It's like highly impossible. It's your dedication. Thank you so much for that. And one thing I would like to ask you, Hanel, tell me something about live classes. Like, have you attended the live classes, and how important live classes are?
Actually, when I started your course, at that point of time, I did my course regularly. I did your live classes regularly. But to be very honest, like I do want to attend your live classes every Saturday and every Friday or Thursday we have live chat.
Yes, yes.
But unfortunately, due to some issues like I have to give my best time to my clients, and currently, like, I would like to tell you my second achievement as well. Currently, I am the director of one Canadian company. So, like,
Amazing.
the reason behind, like, when Krishna called me that I have a one-on-one session with Viru sir, that I was more than happy. Like, this is not to and fro achievement in last three past months. I'm really very eager to talk to you someday, because in live chat, like, I'm not getting much enough time to attend that. But
Agreed,
my
agreed, agreed.
but I always like goes on the website, and I whenever I get time, I used to see some like short. If I have 10-15 minutes, then I go to website and I watch your recorded live sessions at there as well.
Amazing, amazing, Hanel. Thank you so much. And one last thing, what is one advice you want to give all the youngsters or who are just purchasing BBA Mastery course? Because you guys are the true inspiration for them to achieve more. So tell me one single advice you want to give it to any new people inside BBA.
Like BBA masterclass is just like, if wherever you feels like you're falling down, you don't have a correct guidance, it is said that, right, that if आपके पास current guidance नहीं है, कुछ अच्छा guidance नहीं है, तो you cannot move on in your life. So if you want to pursue your dream, if you want to pursue your passion, if you want to achieve your goal, don't drop them. Fight for them, and BBA masterclass is the very, very, very success. Like, it is for me, it is very successful, and I'm damn sure for those other person who are purchasing BBA masterclass, like, this is the only thing in life. If you will regret anytime if you don't buy this course.
True. Thank you so much, Hanel, for this wonderful interview. Thank you so much.